Pi Network is proving it is more than just a mobile mining app. It is a true movement toward an inclusive, decentralized financial system. If you've been waiting for Pi Network to prove it's more than just another mobile mining app, what I'm about to reveal will completely change how you see this revolutionary project. In a crypto world filled with empty promises and endless speculation, Pi Network just delivered something that 99% of blockchain projects can only dream about. As Pi Network moves toward its open mainnet phase, this utility will drive widespread Pi use in everyday life, establishing Pi as a recognized payment method worldwide. This isn't another someday announcement. This is happening right now, and most pioneers don't even know about it yet. Here's what I want to know. If you could convert your Pi to your local currency right now, what's the first thing you would use that money for? Would you help your family, start a small business, or invest in your community? Be honest with me. How many of you have been quietly doubting whether Pi would ever become real money you could actually use? And now that instant conversion to 25 plus currencies is here, are you kicking yourself for not mining more consistently? Are you just going to be a spectator watching this revolution happen? Or are you going to be one of the pioneers who actively builds it? Drop your answer below and let's see how Pi pioneers around the world plan to use this financial freedom. Okay, let's take my time, greet and welcome you all, Pi pioneers from every corner of our planet. Whether you're watching from the bustling streets of Mumbai, the vibrant markets of Lagos, the beaches of Rio de Janeiro, the mountains of Mexico City, or anywhere else on this amazing planet, I'm absolutely thrilled to share this groundbreaking news that's going to reshape everything you thought you knew about Pi Network's future. Before we dive into this game-changing announcement, I want to see our global Pi family unite right here. Just join our community by smash subscribe button and ring notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, comment Pi Network to the moon along with your country name to show the world how truly global our Pi movement has become. This is your moment to be part of something historic, and I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why Pi Network is proving once again that it's not just another cryptocurrency project, but a true revolution toward an inclusive, decentralized financial system that actually works for real people with real needs. Let's now get started. Here's the news that's sending shockwaves through the entire cryptocurrency community. Pi Network has officially shattered one of the biggest barriers that has kept crypto locked away from everyday people. They've formed a powerful partnership with Onramp Money, and this collaboration is nothing short of revolutionary. For the first time ever, Pi pioneers can now sell their Pi coins instantly and convert them into over 25 national currencies across the globe. We're talking about real money in your hands, not promises for tomorrow. This partnership enables pioneers to convert Pi into fiat currencies, including Indian rupees for our friends in India, Mexican pesos for our Mexican pioneers, Brazilian reais for our Brazilian community, Nigerian naira for our Nigerian family, Vietnamese dong for Vietnam, Philippine pesos for the Philippines, Turkish lira for Turkey, euros for our European pioneers, and so many others. The conversion happens securely and seamlessly, eliminating the frustration and risk that has plagued cryptocurrency users for years. Think about what this really means. Liquidity and instant fiat access have been the critical challenges preventing crypto mass adoption. Every single day, millions of people look at their cryptocurrency holdings and wonder when they'll actually be able to use them for real-world needs. Pi Network isn't just talking about solving this problem, they've actually solved it. They're eliminating these barriers and strengthening PiCoin's position as a globally usable currency that transcends borders and banking limitations. While countless crypto projects remain trapped in endless cycles of speculation and wild price volatility that benefit only traders and wealthy investors, Pi Network has chosen a completely different path. They're building an ecosystem where PiCoin addresses genuine real-world needs of ordinary people who want financial freedom and inclusion. The ability to sell Pi instantly to fiat currencies directly answers the question that every pioneer has been asking. When will Pi be usable for real needs? The answer isn't tomorrow or next year. The answer is right now, today. This breakthrough means pioneers can finally sell Pi for urgent financial needs when life throws unexpected challenges their way. They can support family economies in emerging markets where traditional financial systems have failed entire populations. They can use Pi as micro-business capital to start ventures and create opportunities in their communities. They can flexibly manage their assets according to their personal needs and circumstances, without being locked into rigid traditional banking systems that often exclude the very people who need financial services most. Understanding why this matters goes beyond simple transactions. This partnership reduces dependency on informal peer-to-peer trades that often leave pioneers vulnerable to scams and unsafe exchanges. No more hoping that strangers on the internet will honor their promises. No more risking your hard-earned Pi in unstructured deals that could go wrong at any moment. Financial control is now firmly in the hands of users, where it belongs. For countless individuals in emerging markets around the world, access to traditional banking remains severely limited or completely unavailable. Pi Network, partnered with Onramp Money, becomes a bridge to genuine financial inclusion, opening doors that have been closed to entire populations for generations. This isn't just about technology, this is about justice, equality, and giving everyone a fair shot at financial prosperity. Understanding why this matters goes beyond simple transactions. This partnership reduces dependency on informal peer-to-peer trades that often leave pioneers vulnerable to scams and unsafe exchanges. No more hoping that strangers on the internet will honor their promises. No more risking your hard-earned Pi in unstructured deals that could go wrong at any moment. Financial control is now firmly in the hands of users, where it belongs. For countless individuals in emerging markets around the world, access to traditional banking remains severely limited or completely unavailable. Pi Network, partnered with Onramp Money, becomes a bridge to genuine financial inclusion, opening doors that have been closed to entire populations for generations. This isn't just about technology, this is about justice, equality, and giving everyone a fair shot at financial prosperity. As Pi Network moves steadily toward its open mainnet phase, this practical utility will drive widespread Pi adoption in everyday life, establishing Pi as a recognized and trusted payment method worldwide. This isn't speculation about what might happen. This is preparation for what will happen as Pi becomes integrated into the global financial system. Every revolution in history has rewarded those who recognized the opportunity early and took action while others hesitated. This Pi Network milestone represents a clear call to action for pioneers who understand that the future of money is being written right now. Continue mining Pi before the full open mainnet launch changes everything forever. Learn to use and sell Pi responsibly, understanding that with great power comes great responsibility. Support the ecosystem by spending Pi on real needs in your community, creating the demand that drives sustainable growth. Promote Pi as a global payment tool in your local communities, becoming an ambassador for financial inclusion and technological progress. If you've been wondering when Pi will gain real-world value, stop wondering. This is your answer, delivered not in promises, but in working technology that you can use today. Pi is no longer just a future investment tool that might someday have value. It's a practical means to help you tackle everyday financial challenges right now. PiCoin represents financial freedom, economic inclusion, and a future where everyone has equal access to blockchain technology, regardless of their background, location, or economic status. Pi Network continues demonstrating its unwavering commitment to building a beneficial ecosystem for all humanity, not just the wealthy elite who dominated traditional finance for centuries. The Onramp Money partnership represents just one of many strategic steps toward this larger vision of global financial equality. If you believe in a fair crypto future where technology serves people instead of exploiting them, now is the time to believe in and actively support Pi Network's revolutionary mission. This revolution will not be built overnight, but each significant step like the Onramp Money integration brings us measurably closer to a world where cryptocurrency is for everyone, not just the technically elite or those with existing wealth. New products desperately need users who test and provide constructive feedback, enabling further iteration and improvement to features and business models to ensure products remain sustainable and valuable. That's exactly what the existing social network and ecosystem components of Pi Network provide to app creators in abundance. App creators benefit from real-world feedback on their products from existing pioneers, allowing them to continuously improve their offerings and create viable business models within Pi using current Pi products like Pi Ad Network, .pi domains, and Pi Wallet. In return, the Pi ecosystem benefits from scalable app creation by diverse creators, massive utility expansion, and unprecedented community engagement that strengthens the entire network. The significance of this AI initiative extends far beyond simple app creation and encompasses three revolutionary aspects that will reshape how we think about technology and human creativity. First, Pi Network contributes meaningfully to the AI application layer of the entire world by innovating through guided app creation workflows built atop recent AI infrastructure breakthroughs while leveraging the collective creativity of the Pi community and the powerful distribution channels of Pi's global social network. Second, they're actively experimenting to explore an economic model that provides for the sustainable coexistence of human intelligence and artificial intelligence using blockchain technology, addressing an essential global problem that must be solved in the future age of AI dominance. Third, they're scaling the grassroots capability of non-technical pioneers to use their respective expertise to innovate, create applications, and develop ecosystem utility using both AI and blockchain technologies, allowing for more iterations and attempts by a wider range of people at app creation in a completely decentralized manner at drastically cheaper engineering costs than what was required to create applications in the traditional Web 2 era. By combining cutting-edge AI with the comprehensive tools and collective resources of Pi Network, Pi App Studio is strategically positioned to assist people with turning their knowledge and expertise into real-world applications that others can actively use and benefit from in meaningful ways. The version released today includes two powerful options that demonstrate the platform's incredible versatility and potential. The first option provides a comprehensive workflow that gives pioneers the ability to create topic-specific chatbots trained and automated through advanced AI, taking advantage of the creator's domain knowledge and expertise to refine Gen AI chatbots and deliver superior answers to users' questions on specific topics while customizing user experiences in unprecedented ways. The second option represents an open platform currently in beta that allows pioneers to create virtually any type of application they already have in mind without needing to write a single line of code. Pioneers can use natural human language, not complex programming code, to create exactly the app they want to build and own completely. Because this revolutionary feature is still in beta testing, access may be limited initially, and the user experience continues to be refined based on creator feedback and usage patterns. Once creators complete their chatbots, other application types, or completely custom apps, Pi App Studio automatically helps app creators deploy their creations to cloud servers using advanced AI and launch their applications directly to the Pi ecosystem for immediate use by millions of pioneers. Based on valuable user feedback, creators can iteratively determine what truly resonates with pioneers, make necessary changes to their apps through a process similar to the original creation flow, and redeploy and republish their improved apps to the community, all through Pi App Studio without ever needing to learn complex coding or technical deployment processes. Pi Network's unique strengths, including potential engagement from Pi's tens of millions of identity-verified pioneers who actively use and own Pi cryptocurrency, create powerful incentives that motivate app creators to prioritize quality, sustainable growth, and accuracy in their applications. The better an app performs and serves its users, the more likely people will use it regularly, share it with others, and contribute to its long-term success within the ecosystem. Creating applications through Pi App Studio means you can own and operate a complete business and product built entirely around your unique knowledge and innovative ideas, made possible through the strategic use of artificial intelligence and fully supported by the comprehensive blockchain ecosystem of Pi Network, with its millions of engaged users ready to discover and support quality applications. Pi Network has given you the tools you need to participate in this transformation. The rest is in your hands. Use your Pi wisely, educate others about these opportunities, and be part of the community that's building the future of global finance. Remember, this isn't just about PiCoin as a digital asset. This is about you, your family, your community, and the financial future you're helping to create for generations to come. The revolution is accelerating, and smart pioneers are positioning themselves now for what's coming next. As we move toward open mainnet, every day of mining becomes more valuable. Every person you educate about Pi becomes part of our growing global movement. Every transaction using Pi strengthens the ecosystem we're building together. Think about where you want to be when Pi Network reaches its full potential. Do you want to be someone who recognized the opportunity early and took action, or someone who waited until everyone else was already involved? The choice is yours. But the window for early adoption is closing as we approach major milestones. This partnership with Onramp Money proves that Pi Network delivers on its promises while other projects remain stuck in endless development cycles. When Pi says they're building real utility, they mean it. When they talk about financial inclusion, they create actual solutions. When they promise a better financial future, they build the technology to make it happen. The global Pi community is growing stronger every day, and you're watching this because you understand that something special is happening here. You recognize that Pi Network isn't just another cryptocurrency project trying to ride market hype. This is a fundamental shift toward a more equitable financial system that works for everyone, not just the privileged few. If this video opened your eyes to Pi Network's real-world impact and revolutionary potential, smash that like button to help spread this message to other pioneers around the world. Subscribe and hit the notification bell because Pi Network news is moving fast and you don't want to miss the next breakthrough announcement. Share this with every pioneer you know because this news changes everything about how we think about Pi's future.